Hello guys again. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to find your password and username on Instagram. First, let's quickly check if Instagram is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple seconds. Now head over to Instagram. In the down right corner click on the profile icon. Your profile page will open up. At the top left corner you can see your username. Finding your password is tricky because Instagram doesn't give you a password so easily, because it will be a huge security issue. So if you don't remember your password, I suggest you go to the top right corner on the 3 lines. Here click on Settings. List of options will show up. Find the option of Call Security. Click on it. Here click on Save the login info. So if you want to save your login credentials, here, toggle this on. If you want to change your password, go one step back and click on Password. In order to change your password you need to know your current password. To save a new password, click on Save at the top right corner. So there is no way to find out your current password. To avoid getting logged out of Instagram, just come here and toggle on Saved Login Info option, so you don't have to remember your password. As always, thanks for watching. For more videos like this follow our channel. See you in the next video.